So show you which quotes come with everything you've asked for. Simple. So for the right car insurance at the right price, don't just go anywhere. Go compare. GoCompare.com. Why go compare anywhere else? More is making you feel valued. That's why we now welcome all our new car insurance customers with 1 month's free insurance in the first year, and then 2 months free insurance in the second year, and every year after that, unless you claim. And that means lots more happy drivers. More though. We do more.
Q-Phone then Aquaspeed. With its extra wide opening, it takes only 5 seconds to refill. Too fast. Ideal as you can't live without. Skin changes over time. New Select Revital Shower Gel with immediate tips and change. Part of the new Revital range from Static.
Living life in California is one big vacation. It's really a lot of work. We have board meetings.
Lots of more meetings. We're always playing heads up. We're really just a bunch of pencil pushers. We work with the real characters. We're always working weekends. We burn the midnight oil.
Hey, it's a dirty job.
Someone's got to do it. So if California seems like your kind of work,
We've got one question.
when can we start?
California. Find yourself here.
This looks really good. Just what I'm after. A suit. And if you think it looks good, wait until you see this. It's got a special graphics card for high-def gaming. Wow. And it's got an Intel Core 2 Duo processor. So all your programs run effortlessly. And it's $549. Yep, £250 off. Great price for a premium laptop with this level of spec. Right, I'll have one now. Internet prices to take home today. PC World. The best of both worlds.